Welcome to the incredible world of extreme size differences in creatures on Earth. Have you ever marveled at how a tiny bumblebee can hover next to a massive blue whale? These astonishing size variations are not just fascinating, they tell us a lot about the diversity of life on our planet. From the minuscule fairyfly, measuring just 0.2 of a millimeter, to the gigantic African elephant, which can weigh up to 12,000 pounds, the spectrum of sizes in the animal kingdom is truly mind-blowing. But why do these extremes exist? Understanding the reasons behind such size differences is crucial for grasping the principles of evolution and ecology. Size can influence an organism's survival, reproductive strategies, and even its role in the ecosystem. For instance, larger animals often have fewer predators, while smaller ones may reproduce more quickly, adapting to their environments in unique ways. As we dive deeper into this topic, you'll discover how these size variations impact everything from food chains to habitat preferences. So, buckle up and get ready to explore the remarkable adaptations that allow creatures of all sizes to thrive in their respective niches. Join us on this journey to uncover the secrets behind the extremes of size in the animal kingdom. Let's take a closer look at some of the tiniest organisms on Earth, where size is not just a number, but a remarkable adaptation. One of the smallest mammals is the bumblebee bat, weighing in at just about 2 grams and measuring around 1.5 inches long. Despite its minuscule size, this little bat plays a crucial role in its ecosystem by controlling insect populations and pollinating plants. Then there's the fairyfly, a tiny wasp that can be as small as 0.2 of a millimeter. These minuscule creatures may seem insignificant, but they are vital for maintaining the balance of ecosystems. They help control pest populations by parasitizing other insects, showcasing how even the smallest beings can have a big impact. Size influences not only their survival strategies, but also their ecological roles. Smaller creatures often have faster reproduction rates, allowing them to adapt quickly to environmental changes. Their diminutive stature enables them to occupy unique niches that larger animals cannot, contributing to the rich tapestry of biodiversity. Understanding these tiny organisms is essential for appreciating the complexity of life on Earth. They may be small, but their contributions to ecosystems and biodiversity are immense, reminding us that every creature, no matter how tiny, plays a vital role in the web of life. Now, let's turn our attention to the giants of the animal kingdom, where size reaches astonishing proportions. The blue whale, the largest animal to ever exist, can grow up to 100 feet long and weigh as much as 200 tons. These magnificent marine mammals roam the oceans, primarily feeding on tiny shrimp-like creatures called krill. Their immense size allows them to travel vast distances in search of food, but it also presents unique challenges, such as finding enough sustenance to sustain their massive bodies. On land, the African elephant reigns supreme as the largest terrestrial animal. Weighing up to 12,000 pounds and standing over 10 feet tall, these gentle giants play a crucial role in their ecosystems. They help maintain the savanna and forest habitats by uprooting trees and creating pathways for other animals. However, their size also makes them vulnerable to threats like habitat loss and poaching. Both the blue whale and the African elephant face significant challenges due to their size, including the need for large habitats and food sources. Conservation efforts are vital to protect these majestic creatures and their environments. By understanding their roles in ecosystems and the threats they face, we can work towards ensuring their survival for future generations. These giants remind us of the importance of preserving the natural world and the delicate balance of life it supports. The insect world is a fascinating realm of extreme size variations, showcasing some of the most remarkable differences in the animal kingdom. Take the Goliath beetle, for instance. Weighing up to 4 ounces and measuring nearly 4 inches long, this giant insect is not only impressive in size, but also plays a significant role in its ecosystem as a decomposer. On the other end of the spectrum, we have tiny ants, some species measuring just 0.08 inches. Despite their small stature, ants are incredibly social and can form colonies that number in the millions, showcasing how size influences behavior and ecological roles. Size impacts how these insects interact with their environment. Larger insects like the Goliath beetle often have fewer natural predators and can access different food sources, while smaller insects like ants can navigate through tight spaces and exploit resources that larger creatures cannot. This adaptability allows them to thrive in various ecological niches. The evolutionary reasons behind these size variations are equally intriguing. Factors such as habitat, food availability, and predation pressures have driven insects to evolve in different directions. In some cases, larger size may confer advantages in reproduction or survival, while smaller size can enhance agility and resourcefulness. Understanding these dynamics helps us appreciate the complexity of insect life and the diverse strategies they employ to survive and flourish in their environments. The ocean is home to an astonishing range of marine creatures, showcasing size differences that span from the microscopic to the massive. Take the jellyfish, for example. Some species, like the moon jellyfish, can be as small as a few centimeters in diameter, while others, like the lion's mane jellyfish, can reach up to 8 feet across. These gelatinous creatures have adapted to their environments with unique features, such as their ability to drift with ocean currents and their specialized stinging cells, which help them capture prey. On the other end of the spectrum, we have the whale shark, the largest fish in the ocean, growing up to 40 feet long. Despite their size, whale sharks are gentle giants, primarily feeding on plankton and small fish through a filter feeding mechanism. Their massive mouths allow them to consume large quantities of food efficiently, showcasing how size can influence feeding strategies. Size also plays a crucial role in reproductive strategies among marine life. Larger species often produce fewer offspring but invest more energy in each one, while smaller species may reproduce in greater numbers to increase their chances of survival. Understanding these size differences in marine life helps us appreciate the diverse adaptations that allow these creatures to thrive in their unique environments, highlighting the intricate balance of ocean ecosystems. Size plays a pivotal role in the evolutionary processes that shape the survival strategies of various species. Two important concepts in this context are Bergmann's rule and Allen's rule. Bergmann's rule suggests that larger body sizes are found in populations living in colder climates, as larger animals retain heat more effectively. Conversely, Allen's rule posits that animals in warmer climates tend to have longer limbs and appendages, which help dissipate heat. These rules illustrate how size adaptations can enhance survival in different environments. Size also significantly impacts competition, predation, and habitat selection. Larger animals often dominate in competition for resources, while smaller species may exploit niches that larger ones cannot access. For example, in dense forests, smaller animals can navigate through underbrush more easily, allowing them to find food and shelter. Case studies of species adapting their size over time further highlight these principles. The woolly mammoth, for instance, evolved to be larger in size to conserve heat in the frigid tundra, while the pygmy mammoth adapted to smaller sizes on isolated islands, where resources were limited. These adaptations demonstrate how size influences not only individual survival, but also the dynamics of entire ecosystems. By understanding the role of size in evolution, we gain insights into the complex interplay between organisms and their environments, revealing the intricate strategies that have emerged over time. In exploring the remarkable size differences in the animal kingdom, we've uncovered a fascinating spectrum that ranges from the tiniest fairy fly to the colossal blue whale. These extremes of size not only captivate our imagination, but also play crucial roles in the survival and adaptation of various species. We've seen how size influences behavior, ecological niches, and evolutionary strategies, highlighting the intricate balance of life on Earth. The diversity of life is truly astounding, with each creature, regardless of its size, contributing to the rich tapestry of ecosystems. From the giant Goliath beetle to the minuscule ants, every organism has adapted uniquely to its environment, showcasing the wonders of evolution. Understanding these size variations helps us appreciate the complexity of nature and the interconnectedness of all living beings. As we conclude this journey through the extremes of size in the animal kingdom, we encourage you to take a moment to reflect on the incredible diversity that surrounds us. If you enjoyed this exploration and want to learn more about the wonders of our natural world, please subscribe to our channel, like this video, and share it with friends. Your support helps us continue to bring you engaging content about the amazing life forms that inhabit our planet. Thank you for joining us and see you in the next video.